What's happening, guys? Something interesting just came through. Always while I'm going to the bathroom. Always while I'm in the bathroom. I just got like cleansing, cleaning, clearing. Something about the bathroom and cleansing, right? Shower, the bathtub, relieving your. Yeah. Okay. Um. So, how can I generalize this? Um. So there's something that may be kind of annoying you. Something has shifted and changed, and it's like, but this one thing that's annoying you, I just saw 55, is 101, doing something in the background um, that is stopping you from doing 111 something else. Okay? Um, it's for your highest good. 122, this thing that's bothering you. And then I saw 123, right? 123 steps. So it's like this one thing I'm getting is kind of annoying. Um, but because of this one thing, you're not doing one or two other things, you know? Maybe you're not feeling well, as an example, or you're just tired. You don't really feel like getting up and doing anything. Well, maybe because of that one thing, you're not doing something else that maybe you've been wanting to stop or cut back on or something. Something that annoys us or something that we feel like is a bad thing or stops us 222 from something, from life, whatever, but it's helping you in another area. Okay? Maybe it's I'm getting like, maybe you don't want to eat as many cookies and you haven't been feeling well, so you haven't, you know what I mean? Maybe you haven't really been eating much, but you haven't been eating cookies. Does that make sense? Maybe you haven't been feeling well, and so you're not smoking as many cigarettes, or you're not, drinking alcohol, or you're not going shopping as much or spending. You know what I mean? There's something that I keep getting that is annoying, that you wish it would stop already. But the thing is, this one thing that might feel like a setback or might feel like you're being paused or stopped or whatever, it's doing something else in your life that's beneficial. Does that make sense? It's being done for you, not to you, my friend. Have a blessed Thursday.